Howdy YouTubers, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at one of the machines that my friend, unfortunately due to health, has decided needs a new custodian. So we'll have a look at the machine now, and if you're interested, give us a shout. So here we go. First of his machines. There'll be, I say, a few to come yet. This one's a Myford ML7 mk1. It's on an homemade stand, and it's a bit of a rare beast, as we can see from this picture. Many moons ago he actually completely stripped this machine down, rebuilt it, new bushes, everything you can think of, and including a re-grind bed, and as you can see if you look closely, he's actually hand scraped this back in, so it's a bit more precise than your normal bed. I'll be honest with you, it is really close tolerances on this bed, and you may be able to see a bit here showing this picture of the tailstock as well, with its hand wheel on the end of the lead screw. Again, a bit of a rarity for a Mk1 ML7. The other thing you might just be able to see, I'm not sure there's a picture later on of it, I think there is, the cross slide is also the long cross slide version. Again, a bit more of a rarity on a ML7, but mostly found on the Super 7s. This is the gear cover. It's also added hinges to this, so you just basically open it, do whatever gear change you need to do, close it, you're not messing around unscrewing. So this is a bit more close-up of the cabinet it stood on. Three drawers on the left hand side, shelf in the middle, and two drawers on the right. The other two drawers we cannot find. He hasn't got a clue what's happened to them. We can't find them anywhere. Also, the middle compartment does slide out. Here's a little video now of it just running, just to show it running. And that's with the burner chuck on there. So this is a bit more of a close-up picture here. You can see the cross slide, so it's a long version. Comes complete with the tailstock chuck and a few accessories. We've got a faceplate, 4-jar chuck, centre, and some of the change. It's not a full set, but it gets you through most of the threads that you need to cut. So there we go, one of the machines that my friend's unfortunately looking for a new owner for. So if you're interested in buying this machine, being its new custodian, I'll put my details below. If you're seriously interested, give us an email. We can hopefully find this a new home. So there we go, YouTubers. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope we can help my mate out, and until next time, it'll be right.